Are you guys ready? I'm ready, so let's start. Wait, what? What? What is he using? He's like kind of using a piece to like.
Okay, you guys. So if you haven't yet, you know what to do. What is that? Okay, what is this little contraption that he has? It looks like some kind of motor or something. Like I used to take apart like my what were those CD players and stuff, and when they would break, I would take them apart to see what the innards were. But what is this? This is so like it's not just the finger tap style that he has, but he's introducing like I love it when he does like the recorder and stuff, but I've never seen him use this thing. It's like a motor of some sort. Like he's playing guitar with that. I can't wait to see that. I backed it up because I want to see that again.